In today's modern world, technology has enabled humans to access many different services online, like ordering food, e-commerce, online doctor consultation, with an increase in demand for online healthcare services. There may come situations where people need to visit hospital with certain specialization. In such cases, the person may individually visit the hospital's website for reviews, but going through each and every hospital's patient reviews becomes very hectic and time-consuming. As of now in India, there is no such service available that gives score to a hospital based on some parameters. Hence, our team has built an algorithm which assigns score to a hospital based on CHIPS parameters. The CHIPS, that is Hospital Consumer Assessment of Healthcare Providers and Systems Survey, is the first national, standardized, publicly reported survey of patients' perspectives of hospital care. CHIPS, pronounced as HCAPS, is a survey instrument and data collection methodology for measuring patients' perceptions of their hospital experience. These parameters are questions asked to patients for assigning scores to hospital. These questions cover different aspects of any hospital, that is infrastructure, cleanliness, staff, doctor and discharge information. These parameters are predefined and are internationally acknowledged. Our system assigns HCAP scores to the hospital based on the reviews given by patients on different platforms such as social media, hospital websites, etc. Here's a glimpse of score we calculated for Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. As given, score are distributed among top 5 categories and then calculated a final HCAP score. This score of hospitals will help patients to make the best choice for selecting the healthcare organization. It will also help hospitals to analyze their weak points and improve it, which will increase their HCAP score. It can also help the government body to make the country's infrastructure better by assuring better CHIPS scores for every health organization in the country.